Wybieramy się na przejażdżkę quadem. Let's go.
Czemu drzwi do domu otwarte? Konie chudego!
The house next door to me's been sold to niggers.
Czekaj!
They claim to be wild Indians from the plains. Oh, but they ain't a shucking me, they're colored people. We'll make cowboys and niggers our new game. Last night when I come home, I was warmly greeted, but not by my sweet wife saying, hello, dear. Instead it was, hello, down, white mammy Gemma. Says, how does you like dog folks living here? Sell my house, but I ain't had no offers. Though I paid 20,000, I'd take two. All this nigger crap done killed all my red roses, and my violets turned black instead of blue. Last night the NAACP came a-callin'. I didn't know what it was all about. Oh, but it didn't take me long to understand them when they said, won't you kindly move your white butt out?